BSTAR, the framework revolutionizing AI self-improvement. Hey there, fellow AI enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that's taking the AI world by storm. And trust me, it's as exciting as trying to teach your cat how to fetch. Ever wonder how AI learns so quickly? Or why some models just seem to hit a wall and stop improving? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're about to explore one of the latest breakthroughs shaking up this field. Something intriguingly named BSTAR. Yeah, you heard right. We're not talking about a cozy cafe, but a cutting-edge framework. Now let's be real. Whenever something new and flashy hits the AI scene, most of us, besides geeks like me, tend to scratch our heads. So what's BSTAR, and why should you care? Picture this. You're an AI scavenger on the hunt for improvement without needing truckloads of human-crafted data. A dream, right? In short, BSTAR is here to kind of alleviate those headaches. Because believe it or not, as AI bossed up their problem-solving skills, their diets got ridiculously strict. They want them some grade A, human-generated data, the kind you can't just pick up at the corner store. Here's the conundrum. Teaching AI to solve complex math problems or write code usually involves legions of humans putting together datasets like final exams from Hades. And I'm talking datasets that could cover miles and cost a fortune. It's like trying to host a BBQ where you prep all the food from scratch. Exhausting, expensive, and you aren't even sure if your guests will like tofu dogs. Enter the self-improvers, the Robin Hood of methods that try to break the chains of human dependence by getting AI to improve itself through a magical feedback loop. Think of it like this. The AI makes a bunch of guesses, figures out which ones are keepers, and takes notes to do better next time, honing its skills with each cycle. Sweet and simple, right? Well, not quite. There's a twist, friends. Despite a promising start, most self-improvement attempts go full Groundhog Day after a few cycles. Performance hits a snooze button, not budging no matter how much caffeine, or in this case, extra data, you throw at it. The team behind BSTAR stared this roadblock in the face and decided to investigate. Their conclusion? It all comes down to two pivotal factors, exploration and exploitation. Exploration is the AI equivalent of taking scenic routes and discovering all sorts of quirky roadside attractions. It's about generating diverse answers versus playing it safe. Exploitation, on the other hand, is like that app recommending the best eats nearby based on user reviews, focused and reliable. The trick is keeping these two in harmony. Lean too hard on exploration, and your machine may start speaking in tongues. But if it gets too cozy with exploitation, it might as well be stuck in a time loop, churning out the same answers like a one-trick pony. And that's where BSTAR comes galloping in, providing an adaptive strategy to maintain this delicate balance. Unlike methods that stubbornly stick with their first try settings, BSTAR mixes things up as needed. It tweaks the sampling temperature to spice things up or cool them down, and calibrates reward thresholds to keep everything in check. Imagine it like mastering a recipe, adjusting each ingredient to perfection. There's magic in the balance. Through this calibrated chaos, BSTAR introduces the balance score, a nifty metric ensuring your AI is feasting on quality answers without famine. Are you crushing hard problems like algebra or logic puzzles? Sweet. BSTAR showed off on real tests, outperforming other methods with ease. Whether dealing with math, coding challenges, or even just plain common sense, BSTAR was like Hermione Granger among muggles. And did you see those stats? In the GSM 8K math test, BSTAR achieved a 53.8% accuracy, head and shoulders above the rest. And in coding? Holy matrix, it clocked a 19.6% pass rate. Now you might glance at these numbers and go, meh. But in AI land, this is like landing on Mars and proclaiming you're up for starting a farm. What's truly riveting is how BSTAR keeps gathering momentum over time. It doesn't settle after a few cycles like your grandpa on his favorite rocking chair. Oh no, it keeps going. It adjusts sampling temps and reward thresholds delicately, helping our AI friend flex a wider range of responses. A closer look during training cycles revealed smarter moves, much like starting with stricter controls, then loosening up as things stabilize, keeping that exploratory fire alive. Competing methods just can't with that kind of flexibility. Think this stops with just math or logic. Guess what? Sky's the limit. Imagine deploying BSTAR in robotics, or even in crafting your Oscar-winning screenplay. It's like turning an AI into a virtuoso, balancing creativity with precision, ready to tackle the wild. Add in potential for even niftier controls over its bureaucratic bits, and we're talking an AI revolution. So, fellow tech trailblazers, what do you think? Could BSTAR be our golden ticket to an AI future rich with skill and intuition balanced just right? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if this tickled your neurons, be sure to like and subscribe for your regular fix on AI developments. Rumor has it, next time we're touching on the juicy saga of AI ethics, so stick around. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the flip side.